Today we are going to be talking about sustainable fishing. So, what exactly is sustainable fishing? It is a practice that is all about preserving our lakes and rivers for future generations. It is also a way of fishing that ensures the long-term health and abundance of fish populations, while minimizing the impact on the ecosystem. So how do we preserve and sustain the abundance of fish populations? One key aspect of sustainable fishing is knowing the limits. Understanding the types and quantities of fish that can be caught without harming the population is crucial. By adhering to catch limits and size restrictions, and by practicing catch and release, we can ensure that fish populations can continue to thrive for years to come. Is using the right gear another important factor in sustainable fishing? Yes, by using hooks and nets that minimize harm to non-target species, we can prevent unnecessary damage to the ecosystem. Also, avoiding the use of harmful chemicals or destructive fishing methods can also contribute to sustainability. If you like this video, please tap the like button below and consider subscribing. Is preserving the habitat vital for sustainable fishing? Absolutely. Protecting the cleanliness and quality of the water helps maintain a healthy environment for fish to spawn and grow. Fishermen need to avoid areas with sensitive habitats such as breeding grounds or protected areas. This is an essential practice to help preserve the balance of the ecosystem. So what about fish consumption? Yes, another aspect of sustainable fishing is responsible consumption. Ensure that you only take what you need and avoid wasteful practices. And always practice catch and release whenever possible. This ensures that there will always be enough fish for others to enjoy and sustains the delicate balance of the lake ecosystem. So how can you get involved in and make an impact in sustainable fishing? Educate yourself about local fishing regulations and support initiatives that promote sustainable fishing practices. Participate with your local game and fish departments and conservation officers to learn more about this practice. Share your knowledge with others and encourage them to fish responsibly. By practicing sustainable fishing, we can preserve our lakes for future generations to enjoy. Let's work together to protect our natural resources and ensure a thriving ecosystem.